Hey guys, I'm Hazel. Did you know that every single day in the UK around 16 million plastic bottles are being discarded and becoming non-biodegradable litter? This causes so many health issues to our environment, so we have to try and do a bit more. Check out our blog here to find out our top tips as to how you can help. Another great way to help out is to reuse the bottles you already have. It's fun, it helps save the planet, and you'll be amazed at the things you can use them for. Here's a few of my favourites to get you started. Isn't that such a cute way to help save the planet? The kids will love getting involved too. Let us know in the comments below if you've ever upcycled any of your old water bottles. Enjoy and thanks for watching.